Choosing between these two high-efficiency air conditioners could be the difference between a whisper quiet summer and a noisy, expensive mistake that hits your wallet every single month. One of these brands hides a premium secret in its DNA, while the other relies on a reputation for value that might not hold up when the heat is actually on. You're about to see which one truly earns its spot in your backyard and which one is just coasting on marketing. I'm HVAC Repair Guy. I've spent over 17 years in the trenches of this industry as a service tech, an installer, and a contractor. And before that, I was a Navy nuclear electrical operator. I'm here to give you the straight talk from the field, not a sales brochure. Today, we are looking at the Arcoaire HVA9 and the Goodman GXV9S. Both of these are ultimate category units, meaning they sit at the top of their respective food chains. The Arcoaire HVA9 is a high-performance machine with a 19 SEER efficiency rating. It features a variable speed condenser fan and a variable speed compressor, which is the gold standard for maintaining a rock-steady temperature in your home. It also comes equipped with a compressor blanket to keep things quiet, operating at a very low 55 decibels. Now, on the other side, we have the Goodman GXV9S. This model is also a 19 SEER unit, matching the Arcoaire's efficiency. Like the Arcoaire, it uses a variable speed inverter compressor to ramp up and down based on exactly how much cooling you need. There is a significant difference in how these units are built to handle the elements. The Arcoaire HVA9 uses a wire grille design. This is great for airflow, but it leaves your delicate condenser coils more exposed to things like hail, weed whackers, or stray rocks. The Goodman GXV9S, however, features heavy-duty louvered panels. As a contractor, I like louvered panels because they provide a physical shield. For the coil, even if they can be a bit more work to clean out. When we talk about who makes these things, there's a big difference in the corporate family tree. Arcoaire is a brand under International Comfort Products, or ICP, which is owned by Carrier. That means the HVA9 shares a lot of its high-end engineering and internal components with Carrier's own premium units. Goodman, however, is the value flagship for Daikin. While Goodman has historically been the budget choice, they've invested heavily in their Texas manufacturing plant to move into this high-tech inverter space. In terms of the safety net, both of these units are bringing the heavy hitters. Both the Arcoaire HVA9 and the Goodman GXV9S offer a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. If that compressor fails in the first decade, they don't just give you a part, they give you a whole new outdoor unit. Looking at the price tags, you're usually going to see the Goodman GXV9S installed for somewhere between $7,000 and $10,500. The Arcoaire HVA9 generally sits a bit higher in the premium bracket, often ranging from $8,500 to $12,000. So, which one gets my vote? While both have the same 19 SEER rating and the same 10-year unit replacement guarantee, I'm giving the win to the Goodman GXV9S. In this specific matchup, you are getting the same efficiency and the same elite warranty protection, but with the added physical protection of louvered panels, usually for a lower price point. When the specs are this close, the extra cabinet protection and the cost savings make the Goodman the smarter purchase for most homeowners. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com